Hi friends, in this video let us learn about the domestic animals. What are the domestic animals? Animals which live in our house and also which live around our house, and the animals which live in the farm are called domestic animals. Some of the domestic animals are cow, goat, cat, dog, horse, sheep, buffalo, and a rabbit. These are the domestic animals. Some of these we can see in our house. For example, cat, dog, rabbit, and some animals in the farm, cow, buffalo, like sheep, all these. Dear children, can you see the farm animals which are present in the picture? Yes, very good. Now let us see the animal, what it eats and what sound it makes and what it gives for us. Okay, first one is cow. Can you see the cow here, children? Yes, cow eats what? Grass. And what sound it does? Moo. Okay, then what it gives us? Milk. Then we go for a sheep. Okay, sheep eats cloves. Okay, we'll draw here. And what does it gives us? It gives us wool. Okay, what sound it makes? Moo. Then is the hen. What does the sound makes? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Then what does the hen eat? Hen eats grain. Okay, grains. Then what it gives us? It gives us eggs. Then is the bees, honey bees. What sound it makes? Buzz. Okay, then what it feeds on? It feeds on the sea flowers. Then what it gives us? Honey bees gives us honey. Okay, children, did you understand? Have a nice day. Thank you.